It was actually unintended. I found the flute, I found this passion for this instrument. When I was first exposed to music, I just remember that feeling of being exposed to something, but also feeling very seen in a community where you didn't feel seen. I want to be more than a black body on stage. My voice can be used behind the stage.